Alright, what's good YouTube, what's good people? Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, the question of the day, the question of the century. Well, actually I should question of the day, question of the month, question of the year, question of the decade, question of the century, question of the millennia, all that good stuff is, can you start on a liter bike? And to be honest with you, the easiest answer to that is yes, you can. Oh yes, you can. You can most definitely start on a liter bike. Actually, let's go ahead and get started up and then roll out of here. I don't know if you guys can. Actually, no, I should turn this off because that's annoying. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but I am in C mode. Today I've been riding in A mode for a very long time. Actually, I think I've been riding in A mode for the last 4 months now. Today I thought I'd just drop it down to C because you guys think I'm an idiot and all this other stuff. But I did this to show you guys, like, hey, start it up. To be like, hey, I literally just cut 60%. Oh, I think I cut around 40 to somewhere between 40 and 50% of the power of the bike, which means it's sitting somewhere around this is somewhere between a 550 and a 600cc bike now. So to all the haters out there, to the fellowship out there, see, look, I bought a 600cc bike. Joke. But anyways, which way am I going to roll today? Probably should roll away from the sun. Let's go ahead and head west. I don't know where west, but we'll head west. So, yeah. Can you start on a liter bike? Yes, you can. But to be honest with you, the real question is, should you start on a liter bike? You know, I did do a video a couple of weeks ago talking about, yeah, you can start on a liter bike as long as you have self-control and throttle control, self-discipline. But it's really like, you got to ask yourself a few questions, like, and to be honest with you, this is a question you should probably ask yourself before getting any bike, whether it's a 125, 250, 300, 400, 500, 550, or anything like that. You should really ask yourself, like, hey, am I going to practice safe riding methods on a bike? Am I going to be one of those am I one of those type of people that like, let's go ahead, drop that. Am I going to be one of those people that, am I one of those people who like speed? Am I one of those people who likes the adrenaline rush and stuff like that? And do I ever overdo it? That's what you really need to ask yourself. And if you are an adrenaline junkie and you overdo things, if you were one of those kids at like 3 years old who jumped off the top of the dresser drawer and broken arms and stuff like that, and just never learned your lesson and still continue to do stuff like that, you might want to wait to be just a little bit more mature before getting on a bike. I hate when people do that. They come pull up next to me, they take off, and then they decide to, like, I'm going to race you just to get in front of you to turn. And I bet you money that's what they're going to do. But anyways, train of thought here, but yeah, if you're like thrill seeking, if you're a thrill seeker and you have no, and you don't care about your limits, like you don't care about your life and stuff like that, getting on a bike is probably not going to be good for you, because like you'll do something to, you'll end up hurting yourself. On the real. I know I've gotten so many people that said that I'm going to kill myself on this bike. Well, I'm sorry, people. I'm kind of old, man. I've kind of been around the block, like I told you guys before. I am a truck driver, so I know the dangers and stuff of the road. I know what to look for. I know what's out there. I hope I'm recording. Oh yeah, I am recording. Oops. But yeah, so even I did a self-check on myself before even considering a leader bike. I asked myself, I was like, yo, am I going to be safe? Oh, no duh, because I kind of like my life a little bit. But I do want to learn a new skill. This is a new skill for me. I also did ask myself, I was like, am I going to, like, am I going to do anything stupid? Like, am I going to do wheelies or anything like that on the highway? As a matter of fact, I watched a YouTube video just last night. It's a YouTuber from South Florida. She got into a really bad wreck up in Chicago that was hosted by another YouTuber. They were doing a ride going onto the highway, and they decided to stunt on the highway. Of course, that ended up super bad. I feel bad for all those who are injured, but to be honest, Chicago highway stunting, not a good idea. It's not a good idea, and plus you got people just out there stunting left and right. You know, no. I don't think they had. Well, they probably did have leader bikes and stuff like that out there, but no, I'm actually getting off topic a little bit. But anyways, back to the topic. Leader bikes. You just gotta question yourself, like what type of person you are. Do you will you respect the bike? It's not even really more so respecting the bike. It's more like you gotta respect yourself, respect the people around you, and respect your family. You know. Do you respect your life enough to learn new skills to make sure that you're safe out here? Will you respect the bike enough to make sure to get maintenance done on it in a timely manner, to keep the upkeep on it, to make sure everything is running in a safe order? You know, it's like all those things you gotta question yourself. Like just a minute ago, you saw that SUV in front of me take off, right? And it's riding rather erratic and dangerous. You know, you gotta watch out for signs like that, because those type of people are the ones who probably shouldn't even be on bikes to begin with. They definitely shouldn't be driving a vehicle, because like they're driving unsafe, like going in and out of traffic, not even giving proper clearance. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if it cleared that van, it'll go ahead and pass. Oh no, it's not, and it's gonna come into my lane. You know, just as I thought. But, you know, like, you just gotta question, if you, like, when you're making any type of purchase, doing anything, you just gotta question yourself, like, is this for you? Is this something you'll be okay with? And even if you're a thrill seeker, an adrenaline junkie and stuff like that, are you gonna take the proper steps to actually learn in the proper and safe way, you know, on how to ride? Like, if you want to go 150 miles an hour down the road, you know, doing on the highway, I highly do not suggest. Well, actually, it's better to do it on the highway than it is to do it on a city street, because you never know when someone's going to pull out, you know, from right to left. You never know. Never, ever, ever know. So, you know, all these factors, like, if you want a leader bike and you're a beginner and the only thing you want to do is go fast, take your ass to the track. Get the proper training there, you know. Me, I just want to cruise around, and I just wanted a leader bike, you know. I didn't want it for the speed or anything like that, but, you know, it's kind of nice to know that I do have the speed. As of right now, this bike does have 150 horses. No, wait, no, that's a lie, my bad. It's 169 on the top end at 13.5. 6-gear 13.5, you know, so, like, I know what my bike is capable of, but I don't push it. I don't push it at all. So, anyways, I think I'm probably going to go ahead and end the video here. If you guys like this video, make sure to drop a like. Make sure to leave a comment. And also, if you guys are new, make sure to subscribe. To my current subscribers out there, I really appreciate each and every one of you, for real, for real. Also, to the people who have left so many interesting comments that are not helpful. I appreciate you and your fellowship, because your fellowship is greatly, greatly appreciated. So yeah, well, that's it for today's video. Thanks everybody for watching. Peace out.